everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a video of about unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So just got the box today from shipped from UPS, I think, 2-day delivery. I bought the Hero 8 bundle black on the GoPro website for $349.99. Normally it's $449.99, but they have a sale right now. I think you can get it on Amazon, but it's about $50 more, and they don't have the bundle. So I think the best deal is the Hero 8 bundle for $349.99. But you have to pay $12 shipping if you buy on GoPro and sales tax. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. So here's the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Here's the box. And here's the GoPro camera. Here's the shorty grip, so you can hold it and shoot videos to hold a GoPro. Here's the GoPro shorty grip. Here's the strap, the head strap to do extreme stuff like snowboarding, surfing and stuff like that, to mount on your head strap. And you have two GoPro batteries. Here's the GoPro charger, USB charger. Here's the SanDisk 32 gigabyte micro SD memory card. Here's the GoPro mount to mount on top of your helmet and stuff to ride a motorcycle or skydiving, extreme stuff like that. And there you have it, the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 Black bundle for $349.99 plus tax and shipping right now on the GoPro.com website. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.